Hi, I'm Poe. Welcome to Chatswood Dental Associates. Today we're talking about dental implants. What are dental implants? Dental implants, the modern dental implant is a titanium post which is actually inserted in the jaw and allowed to heal for 3 to 6 months. Why 3 to 6 months? Unlike the old style implants, which are actually just hammered into the jaw, the new implants are actually allowed to heal and form a strong bond between your implants and the bone. That provides a very solid foundation for either a crown or a bridge to be placed on top to replace the missing teeth. Now, after the healing period is up, as I said, between 3 to 6 months, the final crown or bridge can be placed on top, and you can have I suppose, a new set of teeth, which is pretty much like your own. There's nothing to take out. It doesn't involve any other teeth except those that have been missing. And it's quite a good solution if there's sufficient bone. Now, if you have any further questions, please leave a message below or feel free to contact us on our website. Till next time, I'll see you.